This is Tony. Today we're touring a great studio in the gorgeous 1920s style Hamilton building over on O'Farrell. The lobby and the other common areas were beautifully restored to the roaring 20s splendor. There is a separate video that shows the beautiful common areas. Make sure you watch that. Let's talk a little bit about the studio space itself. As you can see, it has lots of natural light. It's facing west and also south. These are double pane windows. Makes it very quiet. What's nice too is you can open the windows from the top or the bottom. There are the nice horizontal blinds. Take a quick view west. And also let's take a look at the southern view here. There's a Murphy bed, which I'll pull out in a minute. There's also this ingenious workstation area here. You can pull this out, make a nice workspace area for your files. Nice bookshelf. For the Murphy bed, all you do is you pull that lever here, and also this arm. And there you go. You have the bed there. Let's take a look at the kitchen. So the counters are real wood, nice tile floor, beautifully remodeled, lots of cabinet space, an easy to clean ceramic cooktop electric range, stainless steel sink. The dishwasher is right here. My favorite feature is the Sub-Zero drawer fridge here and freezer. Great invention. All utilities are included with this unit, as well as some great access to all of the common areas we'll talk about in a minute. There's the entry door. Nice, clean, beautifully done bathroom with a combination tub and shower. A very generous walk-in closet with lots of space, including some drawers there. I might note also, since this is a corner unit, there's only one shared wall, and there's 3 feet of dead air space between. What that means is that from side to side, you don't hear your neighbor. In addition, the value, in addition to the space itself, is the access to some fantastic common area. The lobby, as you'll see in the separate video, is gorgeous 1920s style with a working fireplace. You can reserve it for parties. There's also an outdoor patio with a gas grill and a water fountain. Beautifully done. There's also a sitting room with a flat screen TV that you can reserve for movies or sporting events. Also in its 1920 style, there's a roof deck and also a gymnasium. There is parking available nearby for an additional fee. We can talk about that. If you have any questions or would like to take a look in person at this gorgeous studio in the historic Hamilton building, feel free to give me a call at 415-377-7571. That's 415-377-7571. Again, my name is Tony, and thanks for watching.